Listen up. Welcome to the new Wall Street battlefield. The game has changed, folks. Forget everything you thought you knew about picking stocks. We're living in an age where information moves at the speed of light, and if you're not fast, you're last. Imagine having a co-pilot, a superhuman assistant working for you 24/7. This isn't science fiction. This is artificial intelligence, and it's your new secret weapon. This machine never sleeps, never gets emotional, and can process more data in a second than you could in a lifetime. It's like having 1,000 of the world's best analysts whispering in your ear, helping you make the right moves. Booyah! That's the power we're talking about. Digital markets, whether we're talking about the good old stock market or the wild west of cryptocurrencies, are ridiculously complex. Think about it. You've got company earnings, Federal Reserve announcements, global political news, and a million other data points hitting you all at once. It's a tidal wave of information. Trying to make sense of it all with just a newspaper and your gut feeling is like trying to catch a tsunami in a bucket. It's impossible. The old ways of investing, relying solely on quarterly reports and a hunch, are getting crushed. The sheer volume and velocity of data are just too much for the human brain to handle alone. This is where our new best friend AI steps onto the trading floor. Artificial intelligence isn't just about robots and self-driving cars, it's about making sense of the chaos. These systems are designed to sift through mountains of data. We're talking news articles, financial statements, social media posts, everything, and find the hidden patterns. List, media group, stack of newspapers, pile of financial statements, smartphone with social media feed and digital data streams added, stock added, distribute underscore equally, news articles, financial statements, social media posts, everything. They can spot connections that no human analyst, no matter how brilliant, could ever see. AI is the ultimate pattern recognition machine, and in the world of investing, patterns are where the money is made. It's about finding the signal in the noise before anyone else does. So, what does this mean for you, the individual investor? It means the playing field is being leveled. For years, the big Wall Street firms had all the high-tech toys. They had the supercomputers and the PhDs in quantum physics running their models. But now, these powerful AI tools are becoming accessible to everyone. You don't need a billion-dollar hedge fund to get in on the action. You can have your own digital sidekick, helping you navigate the treacherous waters of the market. This is the democratization of finance, and it's happening right now. Get on board or get left behind. Let's break it down. Why are digital markets so tough? Simple. They are a swirling vortex of human emotion, economic data, and unpredictable events. Every single trade is a vote of confidence or a vote of fear. Now multiply that by millions of investors all over the world, all reacting to different news at different times. You get a system that's more chaotic than a hornet's nest. Traditional analysis tries to put neat lines on a chart, but it often misses the most important factor, human psychology. That's why a single tweet can send a stock soaring or crashing. The market doesn't always make sense because people don't always make sense. This is where AI shines. It's not just looking at price and volume like some old-school chartist. AI algorithms are programmed to consume and analyze what we call unstructured data. That's the messy stuff. The news headlines from around the globe, the chatter on Twitter and Reddit, the transcripts of CEO interviews, it reads all of it. It's looking for keywords, context, and most importantly, feeling. Is the buzz around a new tech product positive? Is there a growing sense of fear about a certain industry? AI can quantify this. It can measure the mood of the market in real time, giving you an incredible edge. One of the most powerful tools in the AI arsenal is something called sentiment analysis. It sounds complicated, but it's simple. The AI reads an article or a tweet and decides if the tone is positive, negative, or neutral. It's like a digital mind reader for the entire market. Think about it. If thousands of influential people suddenly start talking positively about a small, unknown cryptocurrency, an AI can flag that surge in positive sentiment long before it shows up in the price. It's an early warning system. It tells you where the crowd is heading before the stampede even begins. That's actionable intelligence. This ability to process vast, diverse datasets leads to the discovery of hidden gems. AI doesn't just follow the big names like Apple or Amazon. It can scan thousands of smaller stocks or emerging crypto tokens, looking for unusual activity or undervalued assets that everyone else is ignoring. It might find a small biotech company with a promising patent that's getting a lot of buzz in scientific journals, or a new blockchain project with a surge in developer activity. These are the opportunities that can deliver those monster returns, the 10 baggers we're all looking for. AI is your scout, venturing into the uncharted territories of the market to find treasure. So, AI can read the market's mood. Fantastic. But what does it do with that information? It predicts the future. Well, not with a crystal ball, but with probability. By analyzing historical data and current sentiment, AI models can forecast trend directions. They can say, based on the last 50 times this pattern of news and trading volume occurred, there is an 85% probability the stock will go up in the next 48 hours. This isn't a guarantee. Nothing is a guarantee in this business, but it's a powerful edge. It allows you to place your bets with the odds stacked in your favor, moving from pure guesswork to data-driven strategy. Beyond prediction, AI is a master of risk management. Investing isn't just about picking winners, it's about not losing your shirt. AI systems can run thousands of what-if scenarios in seconds. What happens to my portfolio if the Fed raises interest rates? What if oil prices spike? What if there's a crypto market crash? The AI can simulate these events and show you your potential exposure, helping you build a more resilient all-weather portfolio. It can automatically rebalance your holdings or suggest hedges to protect your capital when it detects rising market volatility. It's like having a financial seatbelt and airbag that deploy before the crash. Now let's talk about the speed demons trading bots. These are AI-powered programs that execute trades automatically based on a set of rules, and they are fast, blindingly fast. A human trader might take several seconds to see an opportunity, decide to act, and click the buy button. In that time, an AI trading bot can execute thousands of trades. In high-frequency trading, where profits are made on tiny price differences, this speed is everything. For regular investors, bots can help by automatically buying or selling when a stock hits a certain price, ensuring you don't miss an opportunity because you were stuck in a meeting. The big difference between human and AI investors comes down to two things: emotion and discipline. We humans are emotional creatures. We get greedy when the market is up and panic sell when it's down. We buy high and sell low, the exact opposite of what we should do. And AI has no emotions. It doesn't get scared. It doesn't get greedy. It follows its programmed strategy with robotic discipline 24/7. This doesn't mean AI is perfect. Its logic is only as good as its programming and the data it's fed. It can't understand a truly novel event, a black swan, but for day-to-day discipline, it can't be beaten. Don't think this is just some futuristic fantasy. The big dogs on Wall Street have been using this stuff for years. Firms like BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, use a massive AI platform called Aladdin to oversee trillions of dollars in assets, constantly analyzing risk across their entire portfolio. Goldman Sachs has been pouring money into AI and machine learning to automate trading and find new investment ideas. They know that in today's market, the firm with the smartest machines has the upper hand. They aren't just using AI, they are fundamentally rebuilding their businesses around it. This is especially true in the wild world of cryptocurrencies. The crypto market never closes. It's a 24/7 global marathon. It's also incredibly volatile and driven by social media hype and herd mentality. This is a perfect playground for AI. And AI can monitor crypto exchanges all over the world, track sentiment on platforms like Twitter and Telegram, and analyze blockchain data in real time. It can spot arbitrage opportunities, price differences for the same coin on different exchanges, and execute trades in a fraction of a second. For a human, trying to keep up with the crypto market is a recipe for burnout. For an AI, it's just another Tuesday. But here's the best part, the real kicker. This power is no longer locked away in the ivory towers of Wall Street. The technology has become cheaper, more accessible, and more user-friendly. Today, there are dozens of platforms and apps that bring AI-powered tools to retail investors like you. You can subscribe to services that provide AI-driven trading signals, use sentiment analysis tools to check the buzz around a stock, or even deploy your own simple trading bot on a crypto exchange with just a few clicks. The revolution is here, and it's being televised on your smartphone. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and great risk. The dark side of AI is real. Bad actors can use AI to spread fake news and manipulate market sentiment, and there's the danger of over-reliance. If you blindly follow an AI's recommendation without understanding the why behind it, you're not investing, you're gambling. The AI is a tool, a powerful one, but it is not a magic 8-ball. You are still the pilot. The AI is your co-pilot, but you have the final say. Never ever turn your brain off and hand over complete control. That's a fool's game. So what's next? The future is an electrifying combination of AI and blockchain technology. Imagine a world where smart contracts on a blockchain execute trades based on triggers from a trusted AI oracle. This could create a new financial system that is not only smarter but also more transparent and secure. Trades could settle instantly and without the need for traditional intermediaries, reducing costs and the potential for fraud. This isn't a decade away. The building blocks are being laid right now. This convergence will redefine what it means to invest, trade, and build wealth. It's the next frontier. Now for the million-dollar question, can AI make you rich? The answer is, maybe, but don't get it twisted. AI is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a tool for enhancing your decision-making, managing risk, and identifying opportunities you might have otherwise missed. It can increase your odds of success, but it cannot eliminate risk or guarantee profits. Wealth is built through smart, consistent, and disciplined investing over time. AI can be a massive accelerator on that journey, but the hard work and the final decisions still rest with you. Don't buy the hype that you can just turn on a machine and print money. So, what's my advice for new investors eager to dive in? Start slow, educate yourself, read everything you can about how these AI tools work. Don't just look at the buy signal, try to understand the data that led to it. Start with a small amount of capital you can afford to lose, what I call mad money. Experiment with different platforms. Maybe even paper trade at first to get a feel for it without risking real cash. Learn from your mistakes, refine your strategy, and slowly build your confidence. The goal is not to hit a home run on your first swing, but to learn how to play the game for the long haul. The rise of AI in investing is one of the biggest stories of our time. It's an incredible tool that puts unprecedented power at your fingertips. It has the potential to make markets more efficient and accessible for everyone. But it also comes with new challenges and risks. We are at a crossroads and we have to ask ourselves a critical question. Will AI ultimately make investing a fairer game for all? Or will it simply create new gaps between the tech-savvy and everyone else? The choice is ours. Now get in the game.